for a partner, someone who knows how to ride without even falling up. Gotta be compatible, takes me to my limits. And girl, when I break you off, I promise that you won't wanna get off. If you're holding, let's do it. Riding my pony, my saddle's waiting. Come and jump on it. If you're holding, let's do it. Riding my pony, my saddle's waiting. Come and jump on it. Sitting here flossing, peeping your stilo. Just wonder if I had the chance, the things I would do to you. You and your body, every single portion, sending chills up and down your spine. The juice is flowing down your thigh.